Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to carve text in Canva. First, we added a heading. You can choose any of them and wrote how to carve text in Canva. We're going to carve it. So first you have to select the text box, then click on the effects. And there are a couple of styling here. So instead of choosing that, go to the shape. By default, it is selected as ABCD. Click curve. See, this is curved now. Now there's another option here which you can use to adjust it. If you go all the way right, it's like kind of bends. You can do this way too. You can go upward. So you see, like, it's quite simple to carve text in Canva using this format. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and also like the video. Thanks a lot.